Well, we in Medina County have developed the Digital Inclusion and Literacy Program in partnership with the Medina County Commissioners, in partnership with our library system, in partnership with the Office for Older Adults, in partnership with the Career Center, as well as also working with our County Prosecutor's Office and law enforcement to have a comprehensive program that can be directed to you and benefit the residents of Medina County. And having this new technology available, we want to make sure that people have that full access. Once they have it to their home, that they know how to use it. This is not the first time that the increased technology and an infrastructure has changed our lives. Electricity was just being introduced over a century ago into Medina County. There was that transition as people were going from old technology to this new. You and your family now are starting on a journey. Everybody starts at a different point when it comes to the use of technology, but all of us are now, with this greater capability, being able to move forward. And we have created the various classes depending on where you're at on that journey. You can start with just simple Chromebooks and emails, and you now will be able to learn how to have a generic email that's not tied to that provider. Those of us that are next step of the journey have learned about streaming. That's another class available to understand the universe of opportunities and variability of programming out there that you can have at your fingertips. And of course, we're going to try to be able to help you understand what your vulnerabilities are, understand the basic steps, what you need to do as you go on this journey to make sure that you're less vulnerable and you actually are more resilient to any kind of scams that might be out there. This is the mission of the library system. Our librarians and the reference librarians were already providing some of these services. With the additional funding, they're now able to expand it out. And the intention of the DIAL program is the ability to utilize it for the purpose of education, for recreation, for health, and that likewise you are protected, you understand the risks as you have this new technology. So the intent of the program is to work with multiple partners. The partners are not only Medina County government, Medina Fiber, but they also include the public library system here in Medina County, which has branches in Brunswick and Medina and Buckeye and Seville and Lodi. There will be actually in-person programs, not only at the library, at the various branches, and that are free, but also at our Office for Older Adults here in Medina. We also have tech support, where you can bring your device to the Career Center. Students will be able to assist you in utilizing your new smartphone or utilizing Roku, and they can assist you in how to utilize it. So we have the ability to learn about how to use this new technology that we're all seeing in this day and age. So the question may be, who's paying for all this? Well, we received federal grants for this specific purpose, be able to outreach to the community and be able to provide these kind of services, because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to assist the community. The county and various service providers are making sure that all segments of our society in Medina County have full access to this broadband technology. They can integrate it in their life, and they can balance those risks with, of course, the immense benefits that come along with that. We can then work with you and your family in helping make sure that as you get access to improved recreation, improved access to education, improved health benefits, that you can utilize it safely and that you can improve your lives for not only yourself, but your family and your friends and, of course, the neighborhood. Well, this is our opportunity to thank you, the resident. You, the taxpayer, have been providing support for years, for decades, and of course on into the future. And that's the intent of the DIAL program, is to make sure that you have full access and you have that ability to utilize it for the improvement of your quality of life.